Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on macOS. If you've recently switched from Windows to Mac, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using keyboard shortcuts to screenshot your screen in a few different ways. So just a quick overview. macOS actually has a built-in app called Screenshot located in the Utilities folder inside your applications. It lets you capture your screen and even record video. But honestly, in our day-to-day workflow, we're not going to open the app manually. We're just going to use keyboard shortcuts because it's way faster. First up, the most basic move. To capture your entire screen, just press Shift-Command-3. You'll see a small thumbnail pop up in the bottom right corner of your screen. To save time, you don't have to wait for it to disappear. Just click and swipe it to the right, and the screenshot will be saved directly to your desktop. Now, if you don't want the whole screen and just need a specific area, press Shift-Command-4. Your mouse cursor will turn into a little crosshair with coordinates. Just click, hold, and drag to select the area you want to capture, then release your mouse. Boom. Done. What if you want to screenshot a specific app window? You still press Shift-Command-4, but then you hit the space bar. Your cursor changes into a camera icon. Hover over the window you want to capture, it'll be highlighted, then just left-click and it captures exactly that window. You can even do this for the menu bar, the dock, or specific small icons. Moving on to something a lot of us do every day, taking a screenshot and pasting it directly into a chat or a document without cluttering up the desktop with files. To do this, just add the Control key to your shortcut. For example, let's say I want to screenshot this Safari window and copy it to my clipboard. I'll press Shift-Command-Control-4, hit space, hover over Safari, and click. Notice how it didn't save to the desktop? It's sitting right in my clipboard. Now I can just press Command-V to paste it wherever I want. Finally, the ultimate shortcut. Press Shift-Command-5 to bring up the screenshot toolbar at the bottom of your screen. On the left, you've got your screenshot tools, and on the right, your screen recording tools. If you click on Options, you can change exactly where your screenshots are saved, or even set a countdown timer. One last thing. Right after you take a screenshot, if you want to edit it quickly, right-click on that little thumbnail. It opens the markup window. Click the pen icon and you can draw, add text, or even drop in your signature before you send it off. All right, that wraps it up. With these basic shortcuts, you're pretty much covered for all your daily screen capture needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.